வணக்கம் சென்னை வாசிகளே. நான் உங்களை சந்திக்க ரொம்ப மகிழ்ச்சியா இருக்கு. எனக்கு சென்னை ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். எனக்கு நிறைய கொடுத்துராக்கு Enodia, Pudadam, 2 states, Chennai based Kathai. Enaku Chennai Sapad Romba Pudikum. Enike Pura Saputute Irunden. Enaku Chennai Pengal Romba Pidikum. ఆడు ఉంగలకు తెరియం ఎన్ పొండదే తమిళ్ పొన్ను ఎనాకు పయంగులం పిడిక్కుం డోంట్ వరీ ఎనాకు కొంచెం కొంచెం తమిళ్ తెరియం ఓకే ఓకే ఐ డోంట్ నో మోర్ దెన్ దిస్ సో ఐ విల్ కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు ఇంగ్లీష్ హాయ్ బ్రదర్ ఇన్ లా ఓ వావ్ నైస్ హౌ ఆర్ యూ Wow, so many of my in-laws are here, huh? Couple of quick announcements. Firstly, sorry for the little bit delay. The little bit delay is because Surya was stuck in traffic, and now he's so cool. You know what he did when he was stuck in traffic? You know what he's doing right now? He got off his car. He took a bike and he's driving on a bike here. Yeah. So he will be here in maybe 15 minutes, but that's okay. We can start. And, you know, what can I say? My God. And the other announcement is after the book launch, those who want to get their books signed, there will be a queue and I will sign each and every book, okay? So just be patient and on the top of the book write your name so that it's a little easier, right? Yeah. How many of you here have read at least one of my books? Wow. Okay. Sing a song? No, I can't really sing a song. Krish, yeah, I know some people call me Krish here. So thank you so much. How many of you have already read Revolution 2020? Okay, so we can't really call it a launch then, but still we are here to celebrate this. You can call it a celebration party. So I want to talk to you something about the book, right? So it's a love triangle, right? Yeah. And you know, today is Gopal's birthday in the book. You know that? Yes. Yeah, that's right. It's 11/11/11 also.
Vanakkam Chennai. Everything. I had to take my bike and come. I had to escape traffic.
So thank you, Surya, for coming. For me, for everybody in Chennai. So Surya, I want to ask you this. I write stories, I write about characters. When you read a script, apart from the dialogues and the action, what do you look for, like in a character? Before you say yes to a script, what do you look for it?
I'm a very boring person, so my characters should be very interesting. It should be not me. I don't want to be me on screen, so every character should be totally different, out of the box. Luckily, my directors have been giving me that. from Nanda, from Kaka Kaka, Gajini. It keeps going. I think I was lucky enough to play Bodhidharma. I know you're a great guy when it comes to love stories. Everybody needs it, whatever age it might be. There's a great necessity, and you really, really, truly fulfill them. And most of your books, you play one of the character. I'm sure it's from real life. Which characters you in this book?
Okay, in this book it's Gopal, and I'm able to write those good love stories because my own love story is from Chennai. So, you know. So the people from Chennai make the best lovers, I guess. I think it's a well known. So that's why.
Yeah, we are all, yeah, same here. I think we are known for that. I think most of them, all of them like.
So Surya, there is another connection between us. Your in-laws are in Mumbai and mine are in Chennai.
Punjabi.
Yeah. And yours Punjabi, no?
Punjabi.
So can you tell us how you met your wife and how you patawed her?
Chetan, I think it's an open book. I think everybody knew it. Like, we actually fell in love when we were not meeting each other. Okay. She did her first film with me, and there was a 2 years gap. I think that made it really work for us. நான் படிச்சு ரொம்ப என்ஜாய் பண்ண புக் வந்து 5 Point Someone. I think I've never enjoyed a book so much. So thank you, Chetan, for getting me into it. And yes, I've already bought this book. I'm already reading this book. So that's the reason I wanted to know which character is close to you. Now, all that. First time நான் Chetan meet பண்ணது வந்து பாம்பேல ஜிம்ல.
So, I want to tell you how I met Surya. You want to know how I met him first time? So one day, I was in the gym in Bombay, and of course, I am like looking quite stupid doing the gym. And one person comes to me and says, "Hi, I'm a small actor from South." I'm like, "Excuse me?" And he says, "Actually, I'm Surya."
Be frank.
I'm like, oh my
he
God.
didn't know me. He didn't know me. He went back home and somebody advised him.
Yeah. So he told me I'm Surya. So I went home and I told my wife I met an actor at the gym today. And said, "What's the name of the actor?" I said Surya. And she's like, "Oh my God, you met Surya." So, and then she called all Tamil relatives, all my relatives, and they all called me and said, "You met Surya." So I said, when my book launches, I have to call him. And you know, I called him once, and in 2 minutes he said yes. He said, "Okay, I'll launch a book there."
I had to do it for him. I had to. I really love him. Umme Madre, I really, really love him. I love his writing.
And he came all the way to the launch on a motorbike, driving alone.
I didn't want to be late, but ஒரு 5 நிமிஷம் லேட் ஆச்சுன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். Really sorry for that.
So what is your next movie coming?
Next is with K.V. Anand sir. Matran. Means the other one.
The other one. Okay, that's his movie. I'm going to. So will you call me for the premiere?
Of course.
Okay, so I'll come down from the premiere of his
And
movie.
same happened at home when I spoke to Joe. Same reaction happened, and no, I really owe you something. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for making me a part of this launch.
No, you are very special. He is a friend of mine. He is so nice. He agreed to come for my book launch. I feel amazing response in Chennai to the book launch, and it is lovely to be here. Thank you so much.